everybody, it's me, Miss Foot Fixer. I hope you guys are well. Happy New Year 2021? How do you say it?
2021.
2021, yes! So we have this lovely patient here who doesn't have a fungal infection because you tested your nails several times. Why don't you tell everybody your story about your nail?
I've been working on this toenail for about 6 or 7 years.
Mm-hmm.
I've had micro needling done on the nail twice, and I've done lots of different preparations and nothing's worked.
No, and we've come to this final stage where Marion needs to remove the nail.
That's right. I've tested it and I don't have it anymore.
Yeah, so we tested it, we've done everything. It's just a very stubborn damage toenails, and it's very it's common for when you have an infected nail to cause some damage on the nail bed and nail plate. So what we can see is some curvature of the nail there and some lifting of the nail plate the nail plate is no longer there, and then
So
obviously
do you do anything to the nail plate then?
not really. We'll scrape down the nail bed.
Yes.
And make sure it's really, really clean, nice and clean, but not really.
No.
Because removing the nail plate will just remove all the damage and everything like that.
Oh, will it? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's really the nail bed
Clear up.
so that the new nail can grow
I
out.
didn't know whether the scar tissue underneath it would be doing anything.
Yeah, so when we remove the nail plate, hopefully the scar tissue will come away too
Okay.
from it itself. But we can also see that there's a bit of really bad ingrown toenail. This nail is so ingrowing.
Is it?
Yeah, really badly ingrowing. There was a sharp bit there. And
Is that on the left-hand side?
yeah, and it's like really, I can see it in here, so really ingrowing. That's quite bad. Yeah, that's good. Where's your husband?
He's in the car somewhere trying to amuse himself. He's doing Sudoku, I think.
Oh, I love playing Sudoku.
He plays that all the time.
Do you like playing Sudoku?
No, I introduced him to it though.
Oh, really? What's your, are you into crosswords?
No.
No.
No, I like doing art.
Okay.
I do ceramics at home.
Ceramics?
Yeah.
Is it like ceramics, you know, like those resins things? Is it like similar to that? It's like resin? Like, have you heard of these people?
No, I've got a wheel and films. And
Oh, that's like pottery.
Yes.
You do pottery.
Pottery.
It's like ceramics. Okay,
Yeah.
Is that another word for pottery? Is that a
Yeah.
fancy person saying
Yeah.
pottery?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the
It's like
same thing.
ceramics. I didn't like plastic.
It's the same thing.
I didn't know you call it ceramic. I thought, okay,
That's
pottery.
My email has got ceramics in it.
Oh, it's like your other profession then. Is your
Well, I've done it as a hobby and now I'm doing it more seriously.
Oh, fantastic! I didn't know that. So what kind of ceramic things do you make?
Oh, at the moment I've coloured some porcelain clay in different colours and I'm putting them together in a certain way
Yeah.
and then roll it out and it's got sort of different colours throughout it in different shapes. So I'm conditioning the clay at the moment.
Okay, so that's complicated.
It is
Why
quite-
do you need to condition the
Well, because
clay?
I recycled it.
Okay. And how do you recycle it?
Well, you sort of powder it down and then you put water with it and then you wait for it to penetrate. That's the recycled clay.
That makes sense.
Because I'm a cheapskate.
Don't tell anybody that on YouTube because you know. But that makes sense. So you make a pot out of
Yeah.
object and then you drill
Pull
it
the
back.
rubbishy bit, put
Yeah.
it in a bucket,
Yeah.
let it all dry out,
Yeah.
flake it down and then put some water with it and then bring it back
Oh
up again.
wow! I didn't know you could do that.
Yes.
I did not know because I know like some painters they repaint over the canvas.
That's right.
So it's kind of like doing that. So it's not being
Yeah.
cheap.
Yeah.
That's not cheap. I wouldn't say cheap.
Yeah.
So we removed the nail, so that's fantastic. That was really your ingrown toenail is really ingrown. I think you
Really?
might have some problem in the future. I don't think it's a temporary thing.
Well,
But when you look at the video in the future, you'll see what I mean because it's
Yeah.
so ingrown.
really, it has hurt that side.
Yeah.
It was beginning to hurt a bit on the right at
Okay.
the top.
Yes, because it was quite digging into it, and you couldn't see it, to be honest.
No.
No.
Need a break?
No, do I need a, let me see. I think I should be fine. Yeah, let's get a 15 blade just to clean off some of the nail bed a little bit. Just going to clean off the nail bed. So we've got some damage, which is fine. But it looks like there's healthy nail bed tissue.
Healthy?
Yeah,
Okay.
it looks like quite healthy. It's not that badly damaged. So I'm just going to clean it up. But the nails removed.
Well, I didn't even feel that.
Good. Hopefully then you'll scream with it. It's quite a painful thing to have done without anesthetic, I think.
Yeah, I'm sure it is.
Yeah, I think some of these are the door.
I had trouble with this toe, must have been 3 years ago.
Yes.
A bit of it was ingrowing on the right,
Yeah.
and I had to go to an emergency doctor because the next day I was going on to Iran on the holiday.
Oh really? Yeah.
So I had to go to this emergency doctor and get some antibiotics, and that seemed to cure it.
But they didn't cut it out or anything like that.
No, it was just for antibiotics really.
Because the thing about giving antibiotics is it doesn't fix the actual physical
No, of course not.
nail, but at least you enjoyed your holiday.
That's right.
Yeah.
It was just worried going to Iran with no.
I think we're done there.
Yeah.
So I'm very happy with that. So what I'm going to do now is, can I, the black stick for me, just so that I can, actually no, it's fine, so I clean down the nail bed.
Is that one of the burning ones?
Mm-hmm.
For cannulation?
Yeah, just to
Yeah.
clean it off. I'm happy with that actually. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, just dress it. Thank you. Excellent. That's perfect. Tunica off time, please. Just check for the camera. Can you look at the camera for me, just to see if it's focused? Thank you. So we got your callustat, your bladder guard and your callustat. And that's surgery done. Very lovely. All came off in one piece. I didn't know that you did ceramics. Oh wow, or pottery.
If I've got time, I can show you something.
Yeah, please do.
Yeah.
We can link your website. You can like send me some pictures. I can put it in the YouTube video. Like this is ceramic. This is how you do it. I don't mind promoting my fellow patients' art work. So I'm just going to tie that up like that. So just dressing it, a bit of compression, not too tight because you don't want to restrict the circulation.
This is one plate, which is
Wow!
which is it's in porcelain, and then I've wiped different colours over the top,
That's amazing.
and then scratched through it.
Let's show everybody. Shall we show everybody? Can we show everybody? How does
Yeah, I
this
need
work?
some out.
How do we, that way, here. We're showing everybody. Look at that. Show us more while we dress it. Which is your favorite? Show us your favorite.
Which is my favourite? Well, I did this one a few weeks ago. It's gold.
Oh my goodness, it's amazing! What are those flowers? You can do it. Here, I'll press it. That's amazing. So what are those flowers?
Violet.
Violet, oh, very pretty. Is that a bowl or
Yes,
plate?
a bowl.
Oh wow.
And on the outside, I've done some sort of matching, but in. Let me see if I can find it. It doesn't show up very well, but I've done a matching violet shade on the outside.
I can see it.
And put the colour in through there.
That's really amazing. Well done. That's really good work. You're not like an amateur, you're a professional.
I did this a few years ago, a neighbour
Oh, that's nice.
wanted
That is
a
nice.
plant for her house.
That is amazing. Is that Alice? What is that? What are those people doing in there? They're dancing.
Rioters, back
Rioters.
in the 80s days.
Show everybody. This is really good. So did you draw that?
Yes.
That's a really, really good. I'm really bad at drawing. I can show you my stick man, but I think people will laugh at me. So there's riders. This tip it at an
It's a
angle.
toll house. She owns a toll house in Wales.
Oh wow.
And this was a plant she wanted for the wall.
So how come there were rioters? What was going on in those days? What was happening?
I think it was the servants against the nobility sort of thing.
Oh, okay.
I can understand that.
A couple of little pots that I've done there.
Wow. I'm always into people who are arty because I'm very medical. I don't have the talent.
Oh, well, I like doing both. I like medical things
Yes.
as well.
But they're so pretty and like so well made. I did paint at one of those egg things. You know those eggs, you know those.
Oh, some mugs I made.
Wow.
Oh, nice.
That's really. Do you sell them or?
I gave it to my daughter.
Really? She's expert. She can make anybody want a mug. Go to her Instagram.
Show all these.
Yeah.
You can't show these all on the
We just show people, you know. Why not? But
That was me with my mask.
Wait, do you want people to show?
That's a joke one.
That's hilarious. How did you make your own mask then?
Yeah, this is with, writing on top.
Yeah, this is hilarious.
You might taping.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this. So she's got a little bit of tights on.
This is another fun one, to be honest. This is a top I've made. And I've made it like a corset.
I know, that's amazing. I love
so it's
it.
like this, and I've got pearl.
That is
black
so
on there.
pretty. That
So
is
it's
so
yellow-
pretty.
yellow
Show
and
everybody
black.
this. I like this one. Let's show everybody that one. That one's
You have
really,
to
really
swipe
pretty.
it across if you want to see that.
So let's remove the glare as much
Yeah.
as possible. So this one, look at that. That is talented.
So
You're
I've
one talented
I've
lady.
done quite a few in that sort of style.
Yeah. I like it. I need to add you on my Instagram. That's it. You're in my. I don't add that many people on my Instagram. I'm gonna add you.
It's not plastic in this way. It's like.
I got,
Oh, I did like those trees.
There's another one. This is another sort of a shorter one with buckles.
Okay.
I might have.
I'm so keen. Wow, that is pretty pretty. How long does it take to make one of those?
Can I try?
Quite a while.
Quite a
Quite a
while.
while because there's lots of different procedures through it.
And components, right?
Yeah,
Like there's the
yeah.
top and then there's the.
Oh, there's some sort of medieval ones I did some while
It looks
ago.
like Japanese style.
Well, that's
Because
sort
of
of,
the colors.
no, it's the
Look like
terracotta with the kind of medieval look on it. Oh, there's another one that's not quite come up on the thing as well.
Oh, that's so pretty. You've
This
got
is my
loads.
best one. This is
Is that
one
your
I
best
like.
one?
This is one I like best. It's in
Yeah,
a dark clay and blue.
Yeah, it looks like skylights, isn't it? It's
Yeah.
really pretty.
It's a
How
nice
big is
blue.
it? Like, it's big?
Yeah, it's about that big, yes. Yeah. And then some pots I threw with some designs on.
Those are nice. Oh, I like
Another
these.
one there.
Oh, that's so pretty. They're really
I
big.
saw
Another
the
one
trees
there.
there. I did like the trees.
Another one there. I think that's all I put on Instagram.
She should like put loads of on it. Anybody want a plate or a bowl? There you go. Excellent. So this surgery is all done. It went really, really well. Minimal bleeding. She
Yes.
is make sure it's off. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Just make sure it's off. And what
Have
would
you
you?
switched this on?
Yes. What would you?